Hello and welcome back to Let's Talk by George. In today's video, we are going to flash the latest Kraken Android 12 ROM. First of all, let's wipe the partitions. So let me wipe the caches. And next thing is, let me format the data. Okay, so let me reboot the recovery. Next, so let us wait till the recovery has been rebooted. Okay, fine. So once the recovery has been rebooted, let's flash the vendor. So basically, let's select the SD card for the vendor. So what we are trying to look for is this decrypted vendor. So let us flash the decrypted vendor right now. As you can see, the vendor is flashing. Okay, fine. So let me bring closer to you. So basically, we are flashing the decrypted vendor. Right now the vendor has finished flashing, so let me wipe the caches and do a reboot. Let us wait till the recovery is rebooting. Now if you have some other method of flashing the ROM, definitely you can try that. There is nothing wrong with it. So let us wait till the recovery has been rebooted, or recovery is getting rebooted. Fine, the recovery has now been rebooted. So let us flash the ROM now. Here we are. I'm flashing the latest GApps version. So as you can see, the ROM is flashing without any issues. The ROM is using Google Raven fingerprint. Here you are. Let me bring closer to you. Let us wait till the ROM finish flashing. Since I'm using the decrypted vendor, it is obvious that I need to flash the latest Magisk with the ROM. Otherwise, the decrypted vendor won't boot. Now, you can flash Magisk of your own choice. If you want to use 23.0, you can use that, or if you want to use the latest one, definitely you can use that. I mean, if you are really interested in flashing a custom kernel, make sure that you flash the custom kernel after the ROM, or since this ROM is the GApps version of the particular ROM, I don't need to flash GApps. Otherwise, you will have to flash GApps too if you are using the vanilla version of the ROM. So let us wait till it finish flashing. Right now the ROM has finished flashing, so let me wipe the caches and come back to the SD card again and select the Magisk module which I wish to flash. In this scenario, I am flashing the 23.0 version. There is nothing wrong if you want to flash the latest version. I mean, since I'm using GApps, I'm not flashing the flashing extra GApps, or I'm not I don't want to change the custom kernel, so I'm not even going to flash the custom kernel. So yeah, Magisk has been finished. So let me wipe caches and reboot to system. It shouldn't take very long time. I mean, soon we will be seeing the splash screen is already here, and soon we will see the Kraken boot animation. Here we are. We can see the Kraken boot animation now. Now the ROM has finished booting, so let me set up the device. So let me take English and let me select India, then get started. So basically there are some choices that I need to make. Let me finish that, and I'm going for setup offline. So let me continue with the setup offline thing. Well, I'm not interested in sending any usage and diagnostic data to Google, so basically I'll untick that. And pin number, that I will set it up later, and let me click on skip. Let me skip that too. Here we have finished booting the ROM, so let us take a look at how the ROM is. Now overall the ROM is really smooth. As you can see from the quick settings itself, the drag or the quick settings animation is really smooth and it's really cool. Many thanks to JavaSynth for optimizing the ROM and comparing the ROM for our use device. Now let us start with the Magisk. Let's see whether the Magisk or the safety net passes by default. So let me click cancel, and as you can see, yes, it's a success. Well, provided with the fact that I have enabled the Magisk hide option. So anyway, that really works fine. So first of all, this is how the home screen setup looks like, and let's have a look what launcher it is using. It is using the default Google launcher. So that is the launcher side that we have over here, and let's have a look if we can see or if we can find the if the ROM has inbuilt Google call recorder. So let me dial a number and try to see if the ROM has Google recorder. Oops, no, we don't have that. Anyways, it's fine. In some ROMs I was able to get the Google recorder. That's the reason why I have tested the Google recorder thing. So basically with this ROM we will get BSG camera by default, and yes, let me give or pass all the permissions, and it's really working fine. Let's have a look how it is working. Yeah, it works really fine. It may not be clear to you, but it really works fine. So that's really great. And since this is the GApps version, we can see that the ROM is not bloated with a lot of GApps, but some useful stuff. As you can see that the default file launcher is replaced by the Google files, which really looks nice. Let us launch the settings now. And as you can see that there isn't much change with the user interface for the settings and stuff like that in Kraken, but the ROM offers you great stability. Now let's go to the about phone section and take the Android version. As you can see that this is the Android version 12, and it is having the latest security update. It is using the latest kernel from CitrusMoon, I mean from JavaSynth himself, and that is the system information that you can get from here. Now I don't think that it is need to, I don't think there is any need to go through the individual setup functions. Rather, I will show you some customizations from the ROM. First of all, if you want to customize the battery icon style and all, you need to take the battery option and come over here. Then you can customize the battery icon styles and stuff like that. Now let's have a look if it has a network indicator. No, it doesn't have that. So coming to the sound, again you have standard settings in the sound, and under the display, let's have a look if we have the custom font selection and stuff like that. No, only thing that you can do is you can enable the status bar icons, enable and disable status bar icons. Then you get the Monet engine. If you want to use custom colors for the Monet instead of Monet, you can do that in this ROM. That is the only customization that you get over here. And let's have a look if it is offering us any dark theme customization. No, actually it is giving you a kind of function called pitch black theme if you want to enable pure black theme. Coming to wallpaper and style, if you want to enable themed icons, definitely you can do that, and if you want to change wallpaper, you can do that, but I don't think. Okay, fine. So we get some wallpapers. I guess the network is a bit slow. That's the reason why it's not downloading that quick. So those all are the customization with the ROM, and we have Xiaomi parts with it. So basically the first one is MI sound enhancer, and if you want to enable the LCD brightness thing, definitely you can do that, and it's working without any issue. If you want to calibrate the color, definitely you can do that. That one is not, that one looks, it's not working here. And yeah, the ROM is equipped with the Xiaomi parts. And coming to the system, taking the gestures, let's have a look what all customization it has. Yeah, it has the normal customization. Again, the ROM is equipped with a swipe to screenshot function, which is really great and which is nice. So these all are the options that are available over here, and you get system navigation of 3 button and 2 button, and even you can customize that. If you want to disable the pill which is being displayed over here, you can disable that. So overall the ROM is really great, and I really love the Kraken ROM. Even the Android 11 version was also really cool, and regarding this ROM, it is really smooth and it's really nice. So it passes safety net by Magisk Hide. I have not tested without Magisk. So basically it passes once you flash Magisk and enable Hide. Many thanks for watching the review, and I hope you have enjoyed the review. Please make sure that you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any future or further updates. Thank you.